Hi friends, we will see unboxing of Dell wired multimedia keyboard. Model is KB216. I bought it from Amazon. So Amazon packing is not that great for this keyboard, but it is okay. Keyboard is very lightweight, which is 440 gram. Design is very sleek and compact. Still, all the required keys are there in the keyboard. The size is 44.2 centimeter and 12.7 centimeter. The height is 2.4 centimeter, which makes it very sleek. Key alignments are in correct positions. Mainly the page up, page down keys are in easy reach positions. Hotkeys are the volume up button, volume down button, and mute buttons are there separately. The media keys are embedded into the function keys from F9 to F12, like the play, pause, play backward and forward keys. A good part is dust cannot go inside the keys as it is very the compact. The highlight of the keyboard is the keys are extremely soft and easy to press. The USB cable is really lengthy too. There are two stands available at the bottom of the keyboard where you can make the keyboard inclined in position. There are lights for caps lock, nums lock, and scroll lock, which is good, and it comes with the 1 year replacement warranty from the Dell. So final conclusion is, if you want to have a decent keyboard for typing purpose and while watching videos or song where you want to increase or decrease volumes and change tracks, then this is the best keyboard you can buy without further thinking. And if you want to use it for a gaming purpose, then this is not the right keyboard. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.